Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla Conrad ke Sangmai haringkat bat UMDC ke maulai iba te bodlang batau hene ke sngi ke Pynlong ye ke Jingialang KHASI RPF ke maulai nongkwar bat kinong tre jong ketnat sipai CRPF ketnat pulit bat ru bat ki Rangbah shnong jong ke maulai ban yakren halor kemat kabala sateng la slam ban pinkenria no yaki shakawai pat ke jaka habakren hagani kasngi u Conrad Sangmai ulaong bakila donjing tmu ban pinkenria ya kasketriat bat ega jaka sa jongki nongtre jongka shaka jaka ka bahe kumba arspa saupo ekar bat la dadon sakakam jongki sipai CRPF hakani ka jaka kanlong ka basngan shibun ka IGP ka Meghalaya ka Sonal V Mishra kalapan tip bakila don mental apalat saupo snam hakani ka jaka ban ajing shakriyo paitba ka Jylla kalapan pau ya kajing sngongu jong ka yo Myntri Rangbah ka Jylla naga benta kajing sngo thu jong u ya kajing kerpat jong kinong shong shnong naga benta kajing pindan kam babha ya kini ki jaka
the CRPF hence in this 240 acres of government land where we are planning to shift the secretariat and the different government official bungalows that the CRPF if it is in that location, so hence as I said the secretariat will be there, all the government major departments offices will be there, and the chief minister's bungalow, all the other ministers' bungalows, all the senior officials' bungalows will be there. Right there next to it, that if CRPF comes in, then from a security aspect also, then it makes a lot of sense.
Shisngi hadian ka Jingialang khando hakikat tu kat ni